Hi there and welcome to this final video about commenting standards. Now this is a bit of a strange one because it's not actually really anything to do with comments, this video. It's more to do with the way you can make your program easier to maintain just through the names that you give to certain things. Don't forget that comments are only really there as a means of helping someone who's about to, or in the future will come and have a look at your program and try and understand it. So really, in terms of what we name things, we can make those just as useful as well. If we have a look down some of the names of my global variables here, we've got as an example shooter xpos, meaning the position on the x coordinate for the shooter, and shooter ypos similarly. I've got an array here called shooter bullets, which is there to store the bullets from the shooter. I've got an array called image aliens or IMG aliens, meaning the array of aliens, okay, with the different images for them. I mean, there's all sorts of things down here, the game level, an array for sound effects, etc. All of these different things make it obvious when you read the code exactly what is going on, or at least gives you a very big hint at what's going on. And obviously we can further that with our inline comments for our variables anyway, just to make it absolutely clear. But it just allows us within the code to have a rough idea of what's going on, and if we need to clarify that, we can come up and check these comments wherever they've been declared. So that's for variables, but we can also do the same with our function names. So if we come back down to this one here, this was check alien collision. Yeah. Now, when I look at that, it's quite obvious what we're talking about there. We're talking, even if we're not entirely sure what type of collision we're talking about, we are looking at, well, we're checking whether an alien has collided with something, and then the fact that our parameter here is current bullet gives an idea that we're talking about a collision between an alien and a bullet. And before we've even got into reading any comments, we've already got an idea of what's going on. So really this final video, it was just about saying, if you're very clever and thoughtful about how you name your variables and your functions, that in itself will make your programs a lot more easy to maintain and a lot easier to read and understand for those people who come to look at your programs after you've developed them.